In the heart of nature, where tranquility meets urban living, a haven where sustainable living intertwines with modernity. Welcome to the epitome of luxury and sophistication, Green City, where your dreams find a home in our exquisite villas. As the gates open, immerse yourself in the allure of our Regal Villas, set against a backdrop of lush greenery. A spacious parking experience awaits, tailored for your convenience. Each apartment comes with its own personal parking space. Each villa is more than a home, it's a sanctuary of luxury. Step into luxury as we unveil the opulent living room, a space where comfort meets sophistication. The grand dining area is a space where culinary experiences become a symphony of flavors. The kitchen is a perfect space to craft your gourmet delights. Glide through the bedrooms, adorned with opulent details. Step onto your private balcony, a retreat where you can soak in the breathtaking views and create moments of tranquility. Explore the expansive grounds where nature and architecture unite to provide you with walking spaces adorned in greenery. The villas extend beyond walls. They embrace nature, offering you a space and a haven for outdoor gatherings and personal reflection. The Clubhouse beckons, a place where the grandeur of Green City converges. It's not just a facility, it's a community hub for connections and celebrations. Experience the luxury of wellness in our state-of-the-art gym. Elegant surroundings set the stage for meetings that inspire innovation and success. Find serenity in the yoga spaces designed to elevate your well-being. Our private swimming pool is a royal retreat within the confines of your exclusive villa. Our villas provide a tranquil canvas for your physical and mental rejuvenation. As the sun sets, witness the transformation of your villa into a palace of lights, offering a majestic night view that echoes the grandeur of royalty. Welcome to a lifestyle beyond compare.